Hello everyone. Today in this video, we are gonna see the difference between multitasking and multithreading. Multitasking and multithreading both are core concepts in modern operating systems that enhance efficiency and performance. The main difference between multitasking and multithreading is that multitasking involves running multiple independent processes or tasks, while multithreading involves dividing a single process into multiple threads that can execute at the same time. Multitasking is used to manage multiple processes, while multithreading is used to improve the performance of a single process. Now let's discuss them one by one. Multitasking is an operating system feature that allows you to run multiple independent applications or processes simultaneously. To put it simply, when a single CPU is allowed to execute multiple tasks at the same time, it is called multitasking. Basically, multitasking is process-based. For example, with multitasking, you can work on a computer where you can browse the internet, listen to the music, and download files all at the same time. Let's go a little more deeper into it. In multitasking, operating system divides the CPU time between multiple tasks, allowing them to execute concurrently. Each task is assigned a time slice or a portion of CPU time during which it can execute its code. In multitasking, processes share separate memory and resources. The most important thing to remember is that multitasking involves CPU switching between tasks, so little time is needed in order to switch from one task to another. Operating system uses CPU scheduling to switch between these tasks. Advantages of multitasking: increased productivity, efficient resource utilization, and enhanced system efficiency. Multitasking is crucial for increasing system efficiency, improving user productivity, and achieving optimal resource utilization. Okay, now on the other hand, multithreading. Multithreading is a technique in which an operating system breaks a single task or process into multiple threads, each of which can execute simultaneously. For example, in a web browser, one thread is used to handle user input, second thread render HTML, and third thread download files or images, preventing the user interface from freezing. Let's break it down into further detail. Technically, multithreading is a system in which many threads are created from a single process, through which computer power is increased. In multithreading, CPU is provided in order to execute many threads from a process at a time. And in multithreading, process creation is performed according to the cost. Unlike multitasking, multithreading shares the same memory space and resources of the parent process, allowing them to communicate and synchronize data easily. It is also important to note that multithreading is thread-based. This happens inside a single application. For example, in Microsoft Word, one thread handles your typing, second thread checks your spelling, and third thread autosaves your document to the cloud. Advantages of multithreading: faster execution, efficient resource utilization, and improved application performance. Multithreading is useful for improving application performance by allowing different parts of the application to execute at the same time. Alright, so this wraps up today's topic. Thanks for watching this video on the comparison between multitasking and multithreading. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos.